how to check the battery maximum capacity and cycle count on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Battery. Next, tap on Battery Health. In here, you'll be able to find the maximum capacity and the cycle count. Now, ideally, you want to have the maximum capacity above 90%. Anything below 90% give indication that your battery is deteriorating. And once it gets below 80%, you need to replace the battery because it won't last very long. Also, down here is the cycle count to give you an idea of how many times the phone has already used to charge. So it said here, this is the number of times iPhone had used your battery's capacity. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.